Right, doing a water heater installation. We're taking this old A.O.Smith out. Yeah, it's probably got a lot of sediment. It's quite a show up here. It's hard piped in, leaking really bad at the nipple, and it's kind of rusted out. The flue, it's got a lot of shut-offs. I got this shut off and that shut off, and I'm kind of afraid to touch this other one because it's pretty stubborn. There we go. So, got our work cut out for us. I'll probably cut it, and I should just get rid of the shut off and sweat on a MIP and just do flex lines. Let's kind of go up and in rather than hard pipe it again. I guess I could hard pipe it, but I don't know why. I don't know. They're supposed to last longer, but I don't think it worked on this one, or maybe it did. Still around. All right. There we go. Jesus. I snapped right off. Supply line. I got a really neat tool that does this for me. I put it on a drill and it just cleans up the end of these. But it's so nice and new, I don't want to use it. Plus sanding, this just kind of didn't really get in there with sandpaper. I gotta deburr these. Gets rid of the turbulence in the line. Trying to use up the skinny stuff. Come on. Okay, I got the straps in. I don't think I have the hardwire though. He only has like one half set. And I'm going to loop these lines together and make sure they're not leaking, because I was sweating so close to the shut-off valve there. I just want to make sure there's no leaks after I get the water heater in. We'll do a little water test on that. And we appear to be good. Oh, put me in, coach. Today. We got lucky and found some hardware because his was missing. Hey, I'm going to turn the water on now. All the connections are made. I'm just putting the straps together, but I want to test for any leaks. But leave your hot water open.
Just the hot one.
So the air can, yeah, because there's air inside the water heater,
Okay.
and it's going to push it. Yeah, just the hot in the kitchen. If you have like one of those screw, do you have like a thing that you pull out and squirt? You know what I'm talking about?
No, I don't get that one. No.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's
but
all right.
I can leave it at the restroom and the kitchen if you want a couple of plates with the hot water.
Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it open, and then once
You
it's
want me to leave it to? I got open to the shower. I leave it open. Doesn't matter. The hot water.
okay.
Okay.
I usually just leave one spot open.
Just one?
That's me. Because I want if there's any debris, I want it all to go to one spot. I don't want it to go to three different spots. Because then you got to go fix 3 different spots.
Okay. Just in the kitchen?
Just in the, yeah, can I see your kitchen? Can I look at it?
Sure.
Okay.
Let me check the dog.
Oh, okay.